together, live murderous temptation, roll up the windows and push down the pedal.
Yo, alright, we got a package. Yeah, boy. Okay, so this is the GV lip I bought. And, oh yeah, sweet, comes with screws. Some brighter shit. Alright, so we got the drill and got the car parked up. Just gonna drill some more holes, a small bit, and so we can put the small screws in. So, just gonna like fit it up and then see where the holes need to go. So it's gonna go like that. How am I even gonna fit the drill under there? Alright, so basically, I realised I won't be able to fit the drill under there, so I'm gonna have to jack up the car. Alright, so we'll do this side first. Alright, so that's pretty good. We have like enough clearance right here to get the drill under there and drill some holes. Maybe we won't even have to jack up the other side. Maybe one side will be enough, hopefully. Alright, so I've got a couple of screws in. You can see there. But I've drilled the holes, but it's proving pretty difficult. Like, it's hard to get the drill under there. And it doesn't line up like that well. Alright, I'm just going to put another screw in. Alright, so I've got that one right there in. And now I'm going to put the ones on the other side in. It's starting to look kind of good. It's kind of like lopsided, and this part of the car just does not look good. But like, yeah, so it's looking alright. I got this side jacked back up. I'm just going to do one more bolt on this side to hold it like that. Should be good. So all I really had to do was put in about 10 bolts along there, along the bottom of the bumper, and some of them I drilled holes for, some I didn't bother because it's kind of just annoying, and the plastic's pretty soft. You can kind of just, if you're using an electric drill, you can kind of just shoot them in. So we got that on. That was like flapping around before. It's alright. Yo, check this Civic. Sacked on widened steelies, man. That's a look. Yeah, it might be time for a garage clean out. Bit of a snowplow. That's good. Cool.